Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Realme C55. So there we have a Google Lens feature, so it's very easy. We have to start from opening the Google Photos. If you don't have this app, just download it and install from the Google Play Store, but you should have it defaultly. Okay, allow permission. And now we have to pick the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one for example. And now just click on the Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically, and you are looking for similar or the same image in the Google. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.